Well, here's today's project. It's a 441 Victor. It's actually not a 441 Victor. I keep saying that, but it's not. I believe it's a 1974 Triumph T something 5. And what it really is a BSA B50. The engine actually says so. This was the one and only year that they put the BSA out under the Triumph logo. And so we're gonna get it running. It was a runner. It's just neglected and it needs a little help. We are going to put a battery box down here. I bought this old battery box. I'm going to cut it in half, or cut the sides lower, make a different restraint, and put a half-high battery in here. And we're going to do all this wiring. It's going to be replaced. That'll be today's job. We'll take the carburetor off and clean it, just because, and change all the fluids and see if it'll go. So this should be a fun day. And for some reason I can't unzoom this thing. So yeah, we won't unzoom. Makes you feel weird when it just won't follow your commands. That's strange. See, there it goes. Silly thing. Okay, so anyway, it's a complete bike, and we're gonna clean it all up, change out all this wiring, make it so that it can be street legal. We'll put a taillight on it, and we're going to put a vape ignition system in it, and to take out the mechanical points. This is the vape, and I've talked about this before, and it is such a nice system. The magnetic pickup is encapsulated, machined. It's lovely quality. I really like them. So that's what we're going to do today. Let you know how it goes later on.